dude going. Somebody sees him, they're gonna plug him this year.
Hey team, it's Daniel again with Brazos Boars and Varmits here. So we got a lone boar in this already combined cotton field, but we've also got a sounder of pigs over here off to the right hand side. So I'm going to go for this lone boar, and my buddies Dustin and Marcus are going to go after that sounder of pigs over there. And what we decided is that whenever I hear them shoot, then I'm going to start shooting my lone boar, since their sounder is closer to a cotton field and mine's out in the open, so they're more likely to have some get away from them than I will. I should be able to put this one down. But what I'm going to share with you is the most frustrating shoot that I have ever done. Couple of things going on. One, the fact that it just feels like I am waiting forever. If you haven't already been able to tell, I've cut out a lot of the footage, and at this point I'm just waiting on this pig. Sorry, I'm waiting on my friends to actually start shooting so I can hit this pig. And I'm going to go ahead and spill the beans for you. I have 2 jams on this shooting, and it's just, yeah, it's so frustrating. And the problem is that I haven't cleaned this rifle in a while, and as y'all know, I'm using a suppressor, and they just get dirty. And if you're not cleaning your rifle often enough, then you're going to have jams sometimes. And so on this one, guys, just watch my struggle. The struggle is real. Hopefully, this will be a lesson for y'all. If you're running a silencer, you need to clean those things a lot more often than if you aren't running a silencer. But guys, you at least got to clean them more often than I do, so that way you don't run into problems like I did. I'll get him. He goes down, but man, he made me work for it. All right, guys, well, whatever y'all do, just be awesome at it. Bye.